Have you ever found yourself pondering the intricacies of hair transplants? Today, we dive into this modern marvel of medical science, breaking it down step by step to uncover the magic behind the transformation. Imagine a gardener meticulously relocating plants from a crowded patch to an area where greenery is sparse. Hair transplant mimics this very concept. The process begins with the identification of a donor area. This is a region, typically at the back of the head, where hair growth is abundant. Next comes the extraction stage. Medical professionals remove individual follicular units, each containing 1 to 4 hairs from the donor area. They employ a specialized tool for this purpose, ensuring minimal damage to the hair follicles. These extracted units are then carefully stored at a specific temperature to maintain their viability. Once the extraction is complete, the attention shifts to the recipient area. This is the part of the scalp where hair growth is deficient. The medical team prepares this area by creating tiny incisions, each one tailored to receive a follicular unit. Then, the magic happens. The extracted follicular units are inserted into the incisions made in the recipient area. This transplantation stage requires a keen eye for detail and a steady hand. Each unit is placed with precision, mimicking the natural direction and angle of hair growth. Post-operation, the new hair follows a unique growth cycle. Initially, the transplanted hair falls out, a process known as shock loss. But fear not, this is a normal part of the process. The hair follicles remain under the skin, and after a few months, new hair begins to grow. Now let's summarize the key points. Hair transplant involves moving hair from an area of abundance, the donor area, to an area of deficiency, the recipient area. The process includes extraction, preparation, and transplantation. Post-operation, the transplanted hair goes through a unique growth cycle. Hair transplant is a meticulous process that requires expert knowledge and precision. It's a testament to the advancements in medical science and a beacon of hope for those struggling with hair loss. It's a fascinating journey from extraction to growth, a journey that transforms lives, one follicle at a time.